Hey guys, welcome back to Lucid Trading. We're going to be covering Tesla stock today. This will be the pre-market analysis for Wednesday, the 30th of December. Before we begin, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Also, I am not a financial advisor. This video is meant for educational purposes only. Keep that in mind. Now, let's start with this analysis right away. Tesla obviously has a big catalyst coming up on the 4th of January to about 5th of January. They're going to be releasing their delivery numbers, which means we're going to see a massive run up to the upside. Usually it is a massive catalyst. We either run up to it or we run up on the day itself when the deliveries are released, which delivery numbers, right? So which could possibly mean that we're going to see a massive move to the upside like that. Obviously, I think at first we're going to see a correction to the downside, possibly going to the 665, 664. Then after that, move sideways and gradually pick up the pace towards 695. See a bit of a resistance, but keep on going up to the 720s. And I would say from here we could spike towards 740s and 750s and come back down ever so gradually to the downside. So this is just a rough sketch of what I think is going to be happening. I think this could happen very fast, very swift to the upside, because we've seen in the past that Tesla can run 5 to 10% like it's nothing. So maybe it will do that. But for now, I'm going to be conservative. I'm going to see brief resistance periods and then goes up, tops out, and comes back down. So I think we're going to have to look at the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily time frames before we can make a proper analysis. This is just a rough sketch to see where things are heading. Now, I think it's nice to go to the 1 hour now. We're going to be seeing what's happening on the midterm time frame and the long-term time frame, and we're going to come back to the 30 minutes and draw the pattern until the end of the year. All right, so looking at the 1 hour time frame for Tesla stock, it's looking like we're breaching on the MACD. We already broke on the MACD. We said we would breach yesterday, and we broke the MACD, which is amazing. We could move sideways for a bit, then gradually surge on the MACD as well and keep going, top out right there, and then come back down, which could potentially mean that we could surge all the way to the 700s, see a bit of resistance, and then surge, I would say, to the 720s, 730s, and then come back down all the way to the 700s, potentially going down to the 770s, and gradually see a bearish channel towards the 760s, etc. So RSI from here going to go down, and then after that surge to the overbought, come back down and stay in this overbought before coming down properly after the massive catalyst that we're going to be seeing. So we're going to top out in this range over here. Like I said, most likely to go to the 720, 730, but it is a possibility for us to be seeing 750, 760. It's going to depend on the market movement. It's going to depend on the fundamentals. Right now, the technicals do allow us going up significantly. MACD would move in this kind of fashion. But yeah, guys, this is the 1 hour time frame. It's looking a little bit different. I would say more bullish than the 30-minute time frame. Let's go to the 4 hours now. All right, so looking at the 4 hour time frame, I think the MACD is going to be surging to the upside. I'm going to draw this again. I would say something similar to this, and then come back down just like that, which would potentially mean, like we said, we would pass the $700 just like that, go to the 730, 740s, come back down, top out right here, potentially move sideways for a bit, but then keep on going down to the 680s. I would say we would pass that, go to the 660s, see a bit of a bump to the upside, but still go down after that, go towards the 640s, and then rally towards earnings like that before properly bottoming out temporarily, and then we would move sideways to the downside. So Tesla stock is looking bullish just for the coming week. I would say after that, it might look very, very bearish. The reason I'm saying this is there's a lot of time in between Q4 deliveries and earnings. And I do not think we have any strong catalyst in between that time. Unless deliveries is going to be blowing our minds away, I do not think that Tesla is going to hold up this price. I think we're going to come down. So most likely we're going to reach all-time highs at the $720, $750 range right here. Then we're going to come back down. It's a very risky move to be getting into Tesla. I'm against it, right? So I would basically wait off until about one of the dips that's going to happen, and then probably see another rally into earnings and then get out at earnings. Usually that happens. But if earnings are amazing, we're going to come down to the $700 and we're going to start running upwards for earnings as well, going towards the $800. So that was the 4-hour time frame, guys. Let's go back. Oh, wait, we didn't do the RSI, right? So the RSI is going to go to the overbought, come back down, and then gradually keep going down, spike for earnings, and but basically we're not going to see the overbought for a couple months. Now, let's go to the 30 minutes and draw the pattern for the coming days. All right, so looking at the daily, the 30-minute chart, I mean, like I said, it's coming down right now. It's market open. We're coming back down to the we're coming back down to probably the 664, 665, bottom out, move sideways, and gradually pick up the pace, go towards 695, see a bit of resistance, and then keep on going upwards like that. Possibly in this range, we top out, and then we top out properly, coming back down to the 680s, and even lower to the 640s, and probably move sideways from there. So, very bullish for coming days until Q4 deliveries. The MACD is going to come down initially, but then run upwards quite nicely, top out, and then come back down. I would say the same story for the RSI, and then kind of move in this fashion. So for now, for a couple days, yes, it might be running up, but I do not think it is worth, the juice is not worth the squeeze. I think it's better to just hold off, look elsewhere, see if there's any buying opportunities elsewhere, because Tesla right now, yes, it may go up 10, 15%, but I don't think it's going to be going much more than that, and we're going to be topping out after that big move to the upside. Even if they crush Q4 deliveries, it's going to be still, we're going to see a lot of bearish pressure. We're going to see sell-off. People are going to take profits. We've been running up ever since the S&P inclusion announcement right here at the $380, which we said Apple. We said that Tesla was a buying opportunity at $380. If you guys remember that, right? From 380 to 600s, right? I've been super bullish on Tesla stock, and it seems like we are running up to the 674 right now. Could be the case as well. Anyway, I'm thinking we're going to be running up to the upside, even if we do not correct. But I think most likely we will see a tiny correction to the downside. Anyways, guys, this was the Tesla analysis. I hope you enjoyed it. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the Patreon. A link is down below. You can get extra benefits like exclusive content, early access, buy and sell signals, consultations, and many more. So check the Patreon out. Link is down below. And there's also a Discord server that you can join where we talk about investing and trading and finance. Make sure you join that as well. And you can check out the social media. Links are down below. Guys, this was Lucid Trading. Have an awesome and happy New Year's Eve coming up. And for everybody out there that is going to be here for the next videos, I'll be seeing you next time.